HobbyKidsTV Surprise Toys!
I'm Hobby Mom, and we're gonna open up a ton of the Season 2 Shopkins. I have my two helpers here because they know how much Hobby Mom loves to collect little Shopkins. We're gonna add them to the shopping cart, the refrigerator, the cool fridge, and vending machine.
I can't wait to open up all these Shopkins. They're so cute. I just want to squish their faces off. In a good way.
Always use safety scissors. If you can't open it with your hand, which I'm trying. Foil. Which one did you get? This is cherry, churro, and oil. What did I get? This is owl foil. We got the purple one.
Owl sounds like a boy's name.
And Choco Lava. This is Boo-Hoo Onion green. You know why it's called Boo-Hoo Onion? Because when you chop up onions, they make your eyes water, like you're crying, even though you don't feel sad. Fifi flour with a little rolling pin. HobbyKid got Lisa Litter the trash can, the little banana peel. Hand me the next one, HobbyKid. Really want to get one of the little sparkly ones or one of the ultra rare ones. I'm waiting for that. Hope we get that in this batch. Oh, oh, poppity doo dah. Oh, iron and a little air freshener. This is Sizzles, and this is Brie freshener. You stink, HobbyPig. Looks like Brie freshener did her job. Ow!
We got another.
Oh. Another flour. Fifi flour. And another Choco Lava, except this one is chocolate brown. Delicious. Hand me another one, HobbyKid. Thank you.
Welcome.
You're trying to beat me, aren't you? You little stinker. You're trying to beat me.
Yes.
Ooh, you beat me. Looks like we got some cute little ones here. They're matching colors. This is Silly Chili. Look at his little butt's like. This one is Mary Meringue, and she's purty. I like her little swirls. No. So competitive. Look, oh, we forgot to open up the one from before. The last one, the last basket. Where's yours?
Okay, I'll let you know when it's on your mark, get set, go. On your mark, get set.
Schmo.
Whoa.
You're so fast.
No.
Haha. Coffee and beans. Boy, with that combo, you'll be in the bathroom all day.
Ugh.
Coffee and some baked beans. Ooh, look, a little pop top. What is that? Is that supposed to be creamer? I think so.
Yeah.
This is Bart beans. Bart rhymes with. Yeah, you got it. And coffee
Rhymes with Snuffy.
That's true.
Is that a word?
No. Toffee coffee. This is toffee coffee. Ooh, that'd be delicious. That's how Hobby Mom should start her day every day.
Yeah.
Now we can finish opening up our other little baskets. Look, he's so far ahead of me.
Now I'm gonna open up the next one.
Ah, he's beating me.
Oh, I got pink.
Pink corn. Let me see. Pink corn.
And I got another toilet paper.
Oh, I got a green shoe. Hey, those are matching.
And you want my butt.
Ew.
It's okay, not really P-O-O-P.
I hope not. And we got a little orange.
I love oranges.
This is Leafy. I think they should have called her TP. That's just me though. Juicy orange. Corny cob. And heels. Oh, I think I'm beating HobbyKid. I think I'm beating him. Ha! I beat him this time! Finally! Huh.
Ah, you beat me, so I got the one that we already have. Now I'm getting more competitive.
He got Sneaky Wedge. Wish I had shoes like that. Waffle Sue with whipped cream and strawberries. Mmm, delicious. Another corny cob and Ma Kettle. What do you think that blue stuff is? Maybe water?
Yeah. Maybe blueberries.
Could be blueberry juice. Another one. Thank you, darling.
You're welcome.
Oh, face is on. Another chili. Oh, you got such a cute one. Ooh, I think that's carrot cake. Okay, what's your fourth one? I'm waiting.
Sorry, these scissors are. Oh, no.
Hey, another waffle Sue. Got another waffle Sue, except this one is green. I don't know what that's supposed to be. With
Green cake.
maybe some little raspberries or strawberries.
Funny chili.
Silly chili. Another one. Carrot cake. And toasty pop. Pop! I think this one might be my favorite so far as I
Yeah.
drop her. Hey, are you cheating?
A little bit.
You little cheater pumpkin eater.
Yes.
Ah, you beat me. Oh, ours always match. Like the colors are the same.
Yeah.
You notice that?
I think the people that made it wanted it.
It's like they know. Oh no, I might have a new favorite. Hobby Mom loves avocados. Guacamole. Oh, that means I'd have to squish it to turn it into guacamole. Oh, that's pretty cute too. Man, can't decide. They're all so cute. This is Dippy Avocado. Even the name is so cute. Like avocado dip, guacamole. I was just saying that. This is pecan pie. Pecan pie. Except what is that? I don't know. Is that strawberry ice cream maybe? This is banana splitty. Have you ever had a banana split? Oh, they're so good. Looks like a little piece of waffle right there.
Okay, I'm gonna have some someday. someday.
You never had a banana split, huh?
Yeah.
And this is Wedgie Wendy. See, I would totally wear those in real life. If these were real shoes, I think you can probably find them. It's look, a little open toe and everything. I wonder if my Barbie's feet will fit in this.
Dun 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 dun.
Oh, I can't believe I beat him!
What?
Oh, it was a tie. You're right, it was a tie. Okay, what's in the next one? What's in the next bag?
Wait. I have to say, on your mark, get set, go.
On your mark, say go!
That's too fast. Cheat.
I got a boot. What did you get?
I got it back.
Come on, Slowpoke.
Come on. You cheated.
I didn't cheat.
Oh, you said it too fast.
Gotta be on your toes. He got a boot too. How funny is that? That is so funny. So I got Betty Boot. That is so cute. It has a mustache. It's a boy. Huh.
What?
I thought it would be a girl because there's a character called Betty Boop and she's a girl. If you don't know who that is, just ask your parents. It is Slick Breadstick. Oh, he has a mustache with a little red hat. He looks like a Frenchman, perhaps. And this one is Cute Boot. Kind of rhymes. It doesn't look exactly like it on the picture until you go like this. Then it kind of looks like it. Do you see that?
Yeah.
But it looks like it's a little snow boot. It's all sparkly. See, I would wear these in real life too. Yep, if they had it in my size, I'd totally wear it.
Well, thank you, Hobby Mom. I'm super cute.
Okay, we have two more in this row. Now let's keep going.
Yes!
Ah, you beat me again. Barely. Another maw kettle and a little popcorn. What's this one? Ooh, a plunger!
Carrot cake.
We got another carrot cake. Another maw kettle, except this one's yellow. Poppy corn. Pop, 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 pop. Pita plunger. Winking. Why is it winking? And look, there's little beads of water. Like it just came out of the toilet. Have you ever plugged your toilet?
This is my Hobby Mom sock.
Hey, give me my sock. Oh, you beat me. Another avocado and a little cupcake.
Cupcake.
Why'd you do it in quotes?
I have no idea what that means, but yes.
Okay, I'm beating you on the second one.
Hey, no races on the second one. The first one is always the race.
I think this is Cherry Churro.
The soup. Ah, you gotta be kidding me.
Soap has the word clean on it. It's called Dishy Liquid. Here's Dippy Avocado. This one's purple. This one's Cupcake Chick. Of course, the Cherry Churro. Hobby Frog's here to help us now. Ready, set, go.
Go fast. Go fast.
Another alfoil.
The second one.
Another little trash can.
Wait for me.
Oh, coffee maker. Need help? I'm going to help HobbyKid open up his. That looks like cauliflower.
Yeah. Yeah. But I thought it was frosted mini wheats. I'm just kidding. Yeah, I'm just kidding.
Ooh, he got... Oh, another little toaster. Lisa Litter. Bart Beans. Alfoil. Toasty Pop. Coffee Drip. This is Chloe Flower, like cauliflower. That's a good name. I really like that.
She's so cute, I just want to squish her face off.
Ready to open up another one?
Yeah. Whoever wins gets the last bag.
Deal. Ready, set, go!
Aw.
Got it. Got another coffee and a sparkle. What did I get? Wash. I don't have that one. Little bunny slipper. That's cute.
Oh.
I like that. See, I wear those too. Okay, what'd you get, Hobby Frog? I'm gonna help you open yours.
Okay. Is it toilet paper?
No, it's a pecan pie.
Pumpkin pie?
Pecan pie.
Pecan.
And this feels like a plunger. See if I'm right or wrong. Oh, I'm wrong! It's an onion.
We win!
Yeah. This is Garlic Rose. She's kind of cute. She almost looks like she's scared. Like, oh, I'm so stinky. Because, you know, garlic is stinky. This is Pecan Pie. This one is Bun Bun Slipper. Aww.
Oh, it's so cute. I just want to squish its face off.
There's Toffee Coffee again. Squeaky clean. And it says sparkle. And it looks like he has little glasses. This is Wendy Washer. And she has the name Wash on her label. Look, can you see her little tiny arm right there? And looks like she's holding maybe a towel or a little piece of clothing right there in her other arm.
We have one left.
One left. HobbyPig's gonna open it and he's gonna share with Hobby Frog. That's it. We're all done. We have no more in our box. Yeah, here's your scissors.
We got milk.
What is this?
Milk.
That looks like gum. I think that's gum. What'd you get, Hobby Frog?
Another one. Wow.
Another breadstick. That is yummy gum. What's your favorite kind of gum?
Mint.
Mint. I love anything cinnamon. And then this is Slick Bread Slick, another one.
Oh, they're just so cute. Which character does not belong? Uh-oh. Here she comes.
Here's all the cute little Shopkins that we got today. Check them all out.
Oh, they're just so cute. Which one is your favorite?
Which one's your favorite, Hobby Kid?
Choriano.
My favorite was the avocado, cauliflower, and the toaster. I think those were my favorite. Although I did like the little snow boot too. Boy, there's just so many that are just so cute.
They're so cute. I just want to squish them. Let's put them inside the fridge. Oh, I'm in the mood for some avocado dip.
Now where's my chips?
Oh no, it's Hobby Fist. Whoa. Oh no.
Look at all those Shopkins.
Wow, that's a lot.